Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding JSON annotation to dependencies and build runner plus JSON serializable to dev dependencies so code generation works. Next, create a Dart model file and annotate the class with it JSON Serializable to mark it for generation. Then declare the part file like part user, g, Dart, and add factory user. From JSON, map string dynamic JSON equals $user from JSON, JSON plus map string dynamic to JSON equals $user to JSON. This gets the generator ready to produce serialization code. Once files are prepared, run build runner to generate the asterisk. G, Dart files use the delete conflicting outputs flag when needed. Make sure to customize fields using it JSON key name, server name default value, 0 or to ignore transient fields with ignore, true. For nested lists and maps, keep types explicit like list item or map string detail so the generator can infer conversions. If a field is nullable, mark it with, and the generator will emit nullable handling code automatically. You integrate generated code by calling user. From JSON, response body and sending user. To JSON, when posting data, this avoids manual maps and reduces bugs. Once done, every time you change fields, run build runner again so generated files stay current. Make sure part directives match file names. If the builder errors or stale code appears, run Flutter pub run build runner clean, then rebuild or delete conflicting outputs. That usually resolves generator conflicts and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.